Hello everyone, welcome back and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. After iOS 14 update, lot of iPhone users have been reporting that they could not download the app from App Store. It shows cannot connect to App Store error. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Make sure that date and time are set correctly. To check that, launch Settings, then tap General. Scroll down and tap Date and Time. Now turn on Set Automatically. After turn on Set Automatically, try to download the app from App Store. If it shows the same error, then set date and time to manually. Solution number 2. Enable and disable airplane mode. For that, launch Settings, then enable airplane mode and wait for 30 seconds. After that, disable airplane mode. Solution number 3. Turn off VPN. If you are using VPN, turn off it, then try to download the app from App Store. To do this, first launch Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap VPN and turn off VPN. Solution number 4. Turn off Wi-Fi networking. To do this, first launch Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy. Now tap on Location Services. Then scroll down and tap System Services. Now scroll down and find the Wi-Fi networking and turn off it. Solution number 5. Restart your iPhone and Wi-Fi router as well. To restart iPhone, tap on Device, tap on More, tap on Restart and tap again Restart to confirm your action. And to restart Wi-Fi router, unplug from the power source, wait for 1 minute and plug back. Solution number 6. Change your Wi-Fi's DNS server. To do this, first launch Settings. Next, tap on Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on info icon to your connected Wi-Fi network. Next, scroll down and tap on Configure DNS. On next page, you have to select Manual. Then tap Add Server and enter 8.8.8.8. Once done, tap Save in the top right corner. Solution number 7. Sign out of iTunes and App Store and sign in back. For that, launch Settings, scroll down and tap iTunes and App Store, tap on your Apple ID and tap Sign Out. After sign out, wait for 1 minute and sign in back. Solution number 8. Reset network settings. To reset network settings, launch Settings, tap General, tap Reset network settings, put your passcode and tap again Reset network setting to confirm your action. Solution number 9. Reset all settings. Resetting the all settings will reset your all customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. To reset all settings, launch Settings, tap General. Scroll down and tap Reset and tap Reset all settings. Put your passcode and tap again Reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.